What's going on, everyone? Gilman with the Wellthy Stocks, back with another Moderna update video, ticker symbol MRNA, where we take a look at how Moderna stock has been trading for the past few days, key levels of support and resistance that we are looking at moving into the future, and based on that, what we think Moderna stock could do. So real quick, if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button down below, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and comment down below what your thoughts on Moderna are, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. So let me hit record and we will get right into it. So first things first, we did have a couple pieces of news that came out. The first one being Moderna did receive a price upgrade to $208 from $170 by Piper Sandler. They were overweight on it before, and they continue to maintain that overweight rating, but they did push the stock price up from 170 to 208, and that's a big deal because, you know, 170 is a price that we had already met. 208 implies a little bit over 15% upside from the price that it currently sits at, right? So that's great news for us. The other thing that I want to share is that that Europe ordered 150 million doses, additional 150 million doses of Moderna's vaccine, which is absolutely great news for the stock moving forward, just because, you know, the more vaccines they order, the more revenue they get, the more attractive they are, and the more money they have to kind of put back into their growth and all that. So let's take a look at that. So it's actually additional purchase of 300 million doses, 150 million in 2021, and an option to purchase another 150 million in 2022. So if you guys remember, the US had something similar where they were doing, I think, 300 or 500 million doses, ordering it 100 million at a time. Pretty similar deal here. The contract says that they could donate it to lower and middle income countries or redirect it to other European countries, which is also great news because, hey, maybe the European Commission doesn't need it, but maybe they want to send it to other places. So more chances of the other 150 million being used, right? So that's something else that I wanted to cover. Both great news for the stock. So let's take a look at how it is now. So we are a little bit red on the day, you guys. We're down $1.77 close to close, which is not great. Down another 77 cents in the after hours. But let's take a look at the major indexes. So the Nasdaq was down about 0.58%. Dow Jones was up slightly, 102 points, hitting another all-time high, and the S&P 500 was flat, but up 9 cents, 0.02%. So compared to all that, Moderna was not too bad there. Obviously, you know, it is a little bit red on the day, but not too shabby. So let's take a look at our daily price action, and we'll see kind of what we see. Let's see. Okay, here we go. So it actually traded really nicely within the levels that we've drawn on here for us. Let me go over here. So right out of the gate, we bounced off of this 172 level, pushed up with the 177, got rejected, and then came right back down below VWAP, bounced off of the 172 again, rejected by VWAP a couple times, went down, bounced a little bit below our 172 level, actually bounced off 171, and then we pushed up into the close, right? So great movement if you have these levels on your chart, you know, rejected, support, and then pushed up. So great move, great trading kind of for Moderna if you had these levels that I've shared before, and it really kind of stayed within those, right? So what are we seeing with Moderna? So we saw this huge downtrend that we covered, huge nice uptrend that we covered, and then we were talking about, hey, is this a cup with a handle? And we didn't really get a breakout. We did set a new all-time high of 189, but we did not really you know, break out and maybe push towards the 200s like we were hoping. So let's take a look at what future levels of support and future levels of resistance look like for the stock. So first things first, we are right here hitting up against the AEMA. So if we were to move up, I think the first level that we really have to break is this 177, which is also the AEMA 177.31, right? And that's kind of the first level that I think we have to break through to kind of have that be the level of support, right? So I think our first resistance will be this 177. Our second resistance level, I think, will be kind of right here, 185. And so, you know, between 177, 185, we do have a little bit of a run room. As you can see, the past 4 or 5 trading days, we've traded perfectly within those two kind of support and resistance levels respectively. So that's the first level, and then that kind of takes us to all-time high 189s. On the downside, we've got this level 172 that we bounced off of today. I do think that we could see a little bit of a bounce at 170 as well, but other than that, we've got a little bit of a run room down to the 21 EMA in the 164s, right? So again, 172 like we bounced today. If not, we could stop between 164 and 172, but we do have runway all the way down to that 21 EMA, which we've seen hold up as good support, you know, a couple times during the beginning of this run up. So again, great news for Moderna stock. It is a little bit, you know, it has pushed up a lot in just a month and a half. So a little bit of profit taking and consolidation is totally healthy for the stock. Does not concern me, does not really worry me too much. But just wanted to make a quick video to share that with you guys. Again, hoping for a catch of the 8 EMA in the 177s, but if we see a red day, we could go down as far as the 164 and the 21 EMA. So we'll see how it trades the next couple of days. It could be consolidating for a little bit of a ride back up, or maybe it wants to go down a little before coming back up. We'll see in the next couple of days. So as always, I'll try to keep you guys posted on that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to know what I'm using here, I'm using Webull to do my charting. If you want to sign up, link is in the description below. But yeah, that's all I had for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to my channel if you are new, comment down below what your thoughts on Moderna are, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. Let's remember to be a bit better every single day, and until next time.